Welcome to Wise Wednesdays, a weekly video series where we give you BBB tips and advice to help you become a wiser consumer. I'm Nicole Thomas, Director of Communications for BBB, serving Northern Indiana, and today we're talking about pet sitting scams. Employment scams are nothing new, and they come in many different forms. Many are used to target students or others looking for part-time work. A new version of the employment scam has con artists posing as a friendly, trustworthy family looking for a part-time pet sitter. This scam works when a seemingly nice person reaches out via social media, a legitimate job website, or even through student email. The person begins earning the victim's trust by oversharing personal information to make the victim feel comfortable. On top of this, the scammer offers an unreasonably large amount of money for the job or may even ask the victim to name their price. The scammer is so sure they have the right candidate that they say they want to skip the interview process. Once the victim accepts the position, the scammer begins to ask for personal information such as social security number and bank account information to set up payments. In some versions of the scam, they may even send out a large check up front to pay for supplies. However, this check will likely end up being fake and the victim can lose their own money if it is cashed. Use BBB's tips to avoid this scam. Number 1. Do thorough research. If a person contacts you with a pet sitting job and a long story about their life, you should be able to verify the details. Ask to connect on social media and look up the home address they provide. If the person is hesitant to tell you specifics or changes the subject when you ask for more information, don't accept the job. Number 2, never give personal information to strangers. Don't share sensitive details like your home address, social security number, or bank account information with someone you've never met. You should only give this information to a person or business you know and trust. Number 3, stay alert to red flags. Correspondence with grammar errors, offers to hire you without an interview, and pay that seems too good to be true are all classic elements of a scam. If you notice any of these red flags, steer clear. Number 4, understand how checks work. If someone sends you a check and asks you to deposit it, know that your bank will credit the funds to your account before they are actually transferred to your account. It can take a few weeks to discover that a check is fake. If you spend the money before then, the bank will hold you accountable for the funds. If you aren't sure about the source of a check, wait 30 days before you spend it. Don't give in to pressure to transfer the funds to someone else before then. If you spot a scam, whether you've lost money or not, report it to BBB's Scam Tracker at bbb.org/scam tracker and the FTC at reportfraud.ftc.gov. Your story can help other consumers avoid similar scams. Thanks for watching, and remember that we post a video here every week to help you become a wiser consumer. See you next Wednesday.